up, my sweeties? It's TeeElle, baby, and I'm back with another one. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and click that bell. If you're watching this on Facebook, make sure you like this page and also follow my page. Come on and join the fun, guys. So I'm back with another DIY project. It is a Valentine's Day DIY project. Now, today is February 10th, so you do still have enough time to go to the store to complete this easy project. Now, this is so cute, y'all. So I might do 2 projects in one, or you may see the second project tomorrow. I'm making my children 2 big candies with smaller candies inside. So I got Kit Kats, the little chocolate hearts, suckers, airhead, cute little chocolates here, the owl and the frog. And I have some Swedish fish, more airheads, bath bomb. I have some stuff over here, but also I do create a nice centerpiece full of candy, Reese's Cups, Snickers, all that other stuff to go like a centerpiece on my table. My mom actually does that, especially for Easter time. She'll just put a big centerpiece. Like the order we got, we didn't get like individual baskets. We just got a big old centerpiece full of candy. We can just go pick out the candy with the eggs and all that stuff in there. But for Valentine's Day, that's what I'm going to do, is a centerpiece as well as have their big candies on the table as well. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and our guinea pigs are downstairs going wild, so if you hear the little beep, 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 that's them. I have these cute bows here, and you want to see what I use these bows for. I chose this pretty pink and red, of course, for Valentine's Day. Tape. I chose clear tape. And I also have this pretty shimmery silver tablecloth, as well as 2 red bowls. I was going to get a nice, pretty Valentine's Day themed tablecloth, but no one had any, and that's just, whew, I couldn't believe it. I went to so many different Dollartrees. I went to Dollar General. I went to Family Dollar. My mom went to Family Dollar for me. I went to so many different stores, and I could not find a pretty Valentine's Day tablecloth. So I'm going to use this pretty tablecloth and put some Valentine's Day stickers on them. So got to use what you got to get the look you want. I got these pretty red long nails from Shein, and I put them on around Christmas time. And since it's Valentine's Day, I put them back on. Now, if you know, you know. But if you don't know, if you're new here, I love press-on nails. Love me some press-on nails. The first large candy, I'm going to make this one for my daughter. So I'm going to put all her stuff inside one of the red bowls. So there's all her candy inside her red bowl. Now, what I'm going to do is take the second red bowl and put it over top of the first one. And I'm going to tape the sides. Okay, my sweeties. So now that I have my 2 bowls taped all the way around, it is time for the next step. We're going to get our tablecloth ready. Like I said, this is a very quick, easy, super duper cute project. Let's move this out the way. Okay, right now I'm going to measure, just make sure I have, okay. So now I have my tablecloth rolled out, and I'm going to open it up. So I have 3 sections, and you can see the creases there. 1, 2, and that third one down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down the tablecloth, only leaving the amount of space that I need. So for example, this is how much space I have on the side, and that's perfectly fine with me. Okay, so I want to kind of create the same amount of space on each side. You can measure it if you want to, but you don't really need to. Okay, so I'm just going to eye that up, and then I'm going to cut straight down this side to chop off some of that tablecloth that I don't need. And there's creases in the tablecloth, so just cut along one of the lines. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines being shown here. So I'm going to cut that 5th line. Once you do the project, it's easier to see exactly what I'm talking about. Once you have everything laid out in front of you. I'm just cutting along. So I have the tablecloth cut off. And I can fold that up for another DIY project. But for now, we're going to get started with covering our red bowl. So we're going to fold that single part up there, and we're going to tape the middle of it, okay? That's how it looks so far, taped to the top of the red bowl. And now we're going to bring our longer side up. Okay. Now I'm going to turn it so you guys can see. So you see the longer side is coming more towards the bottom of the bowl, and that's perfectly fine because that's where we're going to tape the longer side. And of course, this is going to be the back of our candy. Okay, and pull. All right, so this is what it looks like so far, okay? Now, you can kind of see where this is going, maybe. All right, so here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to, you guys can see me. Hello. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? So what I'm going to do now is gather the sides. You can use ribbon. You can use your bows. You can use whatever you have, a rubber band, whatever you need to tie together this part of the candy. But what I'm going to do is just cut 2 of my bows and use them as like a string to tie it together. Okay, there's 1 and there's 2. So, what you're going to do is gather your tablecloth. Okay, you see where this is going? Gather it. And take your bow, string, ribbon, whatever you're using, tie it around. Okay, just like so. Now this extra hair, just cut it off to your liking. I'm just going to cut around. Okay, at Dollartree you get 2 bows on one. So I'm going to grab one of them. Okay, and it comes like this. And so you just take it in the middle and put it around. And tie it again. Stuff it under, pull, and tie. Okay? All right, now we're gonna do the same for the other side.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
All right, so here's our candy. We're not done yet. We're gonna put our stickers on here since I could not find a Valentine's Day themed tablecloth. And these are some cute little glittery stickers. You got love written in red, pink, and another bigger red, hearts, So we're just gonna kind of stick them all over. So let's put a big pink one here in the front. Love. That might be hard to see. So we're just gonna put them all over. Okay, my sweeties, here's my finished candy. My big candy with my smaller candies inside for my baby girl. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this cute, quick, affordable DIY Dollar Tree project. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Does it look like a candy? I think that looks like a candy. I think it's so stinking cute. I think that she's gonna be so excited when she sees this big old candy. Thank you guys so much. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a fat thumbs up, click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Also, leave a comment down below what you guys think if you plan on trying this. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up, comment down below. Make sure you like and follow my page as well. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to Life is TL. I can't wait for you guys to see the other candy that I'm going to make for my son tomorrow. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I'm pretty sure I'll see you guys before Valentine's Day. But, yeah, I just love this so much. I'm probably going to eat all the candy. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.